Hey dear student, today we are going to learn how to find bond order in just 30 seconds. So keep watch the video till the end and see the magic. Okay. Bond order. Bond order generally refers to number of bonds between atoms. Means if two atoms are carbon and they are bonded by 3 bonds, that is carbon triple bond carbon, means this molecule has 3 bond order. Similarly, if a molecule has carbon and oxygen and hydrogen with a single bond, then it has 1 bond order. Okay. If we learn or if we get master over bond order, then we also predict the stability and bond length of that molecule. Bond order generally directly proportional to stability. So if we find bond order, then we also predict the stability of that molecule. Similarly, bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Okay, inversely proportional to bond length. So before we going to find the bond order, we have to remember following facts. Okay, first we have to calculate total electron of that molecules. Okay, if the total electron is 14, then the bond order is 3. If the total electron is 13, then the bond order is 2.5. If the total electron is 12, then the bond order is 2. 11, then the bond order is 1.5. 10, then it has 1. If it has 9 total electron, then it has 0.5 bond order. Okay, this column is represented by total electron, this column is represented by bond order. Okay, similarly, if the total electron is 15, then bond order is 2.5. 16, then it has bond order 2. 17, then it has bond order 1.5. 18, then it has bond order 1. 19, then it has bond order 0.5. Okay, after that you should know that if a molecule has 0 bond order, that means this molecule does not exist. Okay, To understand better, let's consider an example O2 molecule. Here total electron is 16. So from the data we know if the total electron is 16, then it has bond order 2. Again, if we consider oxygen 2 minus molecule, then total electron is 17, so it has bond order 1.5. Similarly, if we consider molecule O2 plus, whose total electron is 15, so its bond order will be 2.5. Okay. After that, if the total electron of the molecule is 7 or less than 7, then we will follow this way. From molecular orbital theory, we know that 1s molecular orbital, 1s bonding molecular orbital, then 1s anti-bonding molecular orbital, 2s bonding molecular orbital, 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital. Each molecular orbital has a capacity to hold 2 electron. Okay, so if we want to calculate bond order of H2 molecule, then we know that H2 molecule has total 2 electrons. So these 2 electron first filled in first 1s bonding orbital. So to find bond order, we had a formula, that is bond order is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So here bond order equal to H, there is 2 electron present in bonding orbital and no electron present in the anti-bonding orbital. So number of electron in bonding orbital is 2 divided by 2, we get 1. So it has bond order 1. To understand better, let's do some example. Let's consider H2 plus molecule. We know that H2 plus molecule has total 1 electron. This 1 electron will arrange in the molecular orbital. 1s bonding molecular orbital, 1s anti-bonding molecular orbital, 2s bonding molecular orbital, 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital. This 1 electron goes to first bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so according to formula, bond order equal to number of electron in bonding orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding orbital divided by 2. As there is no electron present in the anti-bonding orbital, so we neglect this term, and one electron present in the bonding orbital, we just put 1, so 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. okay, so this molecule has 0.5 bond order. Okay, let test yourself. Test. Find bond order of the following species. Okay, NO plus, N2, O2, O2 2 minus, B2, thank you.